Everything I'm saying in this motherfucker is all props.
This shit is not real.
Just in case the police listen.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh! You good, you good, you good, you good. First time around Corey shit with the test pipes on that motherfucker. I done always heard it from the outside. We got Janky in front of us. Damn. Okay, I see what you mean. That shit, why that shit bourbon like that? Shit, stop. No turn. Yeah. That shit sound good though.
That joint sound nice, bro.
On green?
Yo, I hear that bitch from behind me.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Count down. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You're right.
Damn.
Seatbelt for y'all. Y'all can do a run real quick.
Oh.
Oh, flashing, flashing, flashing.
You want to do 20?
You want to do 40? Yeah. 40, 40. You ready? You ready? You ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, oh! You good, you good, you good, you good. What the fuck is wrong with him? Oh. You good?
Hell yeah.
You good, you good. That nigga can't fucking drive. Man, he's still trying to cut. I gotta run it again. That dumbass fucking car, bro. Y'all niggas seen that shit.
I swear, man, shit out there, motherfucker.
You couldn't see it though, but I seen it. That's why I said whoa before it happened. You couldn't see it from your side. Session got his brakes sounding crazy. Damn. Hold up, Session. Damn. Niggas can't even see nothing. Dang, where your face at, Ward?
You never do it